Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves something that I've been looking forward to for a very long time. Another package! If you haven't gotten the gist from my videos yet that I like doing unboxings, I don't know, man, you must have a screw loose, but this one is pretty special. For those of you who don't know, which is very few of you, I go to Temple University as a film major. Over the course of my freshman year, I kind of noticed that I wanted more equipment to, you know, not necessarily better myself, but to just help me make great films and great video work. I kind of just gave it away. I bought a gimbal. Well, here's the packaging. It says DJI on it. Yep, Ronin S. This is kind of neat. Whoa! Okay. This is dope. This is really dope. This is the battery. Okay. I honestly have no idea where to start with this thing, but it looks pretty sick. It was a lot of money, so I should probably be pretty careful, but I know the battery slips in right like this. Yup. It does have some weight to it, that's for sure. Definitely has some weight to it. I need to charge this bad boy up and get her running, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace.